All right, failers. After about what?
Fucking time is that?
3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours, probably about 4.
We got this fucking second turbo mounted in, guys. Take a look at that, fellas. I'd say she's pretty on.
So they're the same, they lean back exactly the same degree.
Same degree. This one's a little bent, it's a little different.
You gotta clear the sway bar.
Gotta clear the sway bar. But everything fits, guys. Air filter. I don't want to break the tacks. So give me a second, fellas, and I'll weld it all up and we'll see what 2 looks like. Yeah, that looks good.
That looks fucking good.
That looks good, guys. It's a fucking bitch to get them symmetrical, but 2 paisas is all it took. Right? My guy Danny.
God damn.
God damn, guys. The one thing that throws us off is the big part of the shells on this side. And you know, it's opposite. So, or it's the same, but it's opposite. So give me a minute and get some welding done, guys. We'll see how she looks. Look at that. That looks good. Alright, you guys. Check it out. We got ourselves a turbo header. Yeah, it's a header. It ain't a manifold. 1 3/4 to 2.5. The V-band. And this is the other side to it. So there it is, guys. I got the second one finally mocked in there, and I'm about to finish up the welding. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about my first turbo kit. It's almost there.
That's pretty good, actually.
It's probably been like the most frustrating thing that I've ever had to do, because you gotta think about everything, guys, you know, even to putting the gasket in there so you have the correct space and it doesn't throw you off later on, you know. It's just like you got to think about every little move. Radiator hose, where's this wastegate gonna go? And it's just a lot of work, guys. I see why it's tough now. And the thing is cool is that it's all custom, so you know it's all gonna fit perfect. But just getting there, if you've never done one of these before, is pretty tough. Like, my welding with this kit has gotten really good, has improved, and I just need to get better at my fabrication skills, and that's all it is, guys. Just fabrication. Welding is getting there, and I'm happy with how the welds are turning out. We'll see if they hold when the car runs, but I'm pretty sure they will. So yeah, guys, just want to let you guys know, you know, if you guys got a welder and something to cut tube with, it's not impossible to do this, guys, you know. Just grab yourself a little coupon and just start practicing, you know. And that's all it does. It's all that happens. You just practice, you get better, and then you get the confidence to do something like this, you know. So let me weld this up for you guys, and we'll see how the finished product looks. All right, guys. All right, guys. Let's get this V-band welded up. Turn the juice up for this. I think they usually do like 60. Let's try 57. Try to add this little thing. Get a new piece. I want the contaminated piece. Alright, let's see how first weld of the day go, guys. goes nothing. Alright guys, we're getting there. Alright fellas, how are we gonna do this? With me sitting on the floor? Freaking welder's gotta get in some positions, huh?
Yeah. Can you lay down?
You guys like that?
Squeeze
Right
the pedal
there.
with your leg.
You happy with that?
I like it.
Turn the juice up.
See if I can get back. Oh yeah, it's the money shot right there. Let's go.
Oh my god, that is so uncomfortable. How do you guys do that shit? Here goes. Some damage. Okay, now I gotta make it stick on this side. Left-handed welding? No. Easy money, lefty.
Muscle memory.
There it is, Dan.
I like it.
Nice little damage. Alright guys, got one more weld on the V-band, and these turbos are mounted, guys, so hang in there for this last weld, and we'll see what it all looks like. Guys, I could see myself pretty much getting better as I build this kit. And I have probably no doubt that by the next one I do, it's gonna be a lot better and just get better and better. So, practice, fellas. Yes, practice. And the good thing is it's all mine, you know? Nobody gonna tell me anything. All right, let's do this. Let's do this, Brutus, like my brother says. Alright guys, here it is. Shit came out pretty good. I'm tired. It's a lot of welding when you guys, seems like it's just, you know, weld these two pieces, but man, it's been hours. So just checking in with you guys. I got that final piece welded up, and give me a second and I'll mount it all up for you guys. All right. There it is. Crazy. How you guys like that? We got the ability to clock this anyway, and then clock this. So get that set up, guys, and we'll start building the downpipes. Go down that way, and we're pretty close to having ourselves a turbo kit, fellas. So keep it tuned, and we'll keep going on her. There it is, guys. Man, I can't tell you guys how excited I am. You know, first of all, like my first turbo kit, and it's just came out just how I like it. And you guys know I'm not like a fabricator per se. I do some welding, but that's not what I do, you know. So I'm kind of proud of it. Big thanks to the guys here at the shop. They stayed some nights to help me finish up right here. My neighbor Danny, he's just a head full of knowledge. He's been a real good friend as the guy, you know, moving into a new shop. As you guys know, I moved my shop across the bay, and he owns a hot rod shop, and I had been actually following him for a while. And when I moved in, I was his neighbor. It was pretty cool to have him as another thinking head or car guy. You know, if I gotta ask him something, you know, go bounce an idea off him. And usually 2 great minds is better than 1. So big thank you to Danny helping me mount this one right here and get it all even, because you guys know I wouldn't have been able to look at that if it wasn't even. And there's just like so many variables that you gotta, you know, for example, check that out, you know, make sure this thing is perfect on both sides. The filter gotta go on the same, you know. So just details, guys, and it's just a lot of work. So I feel like accomplished, because when I first, that damn train, swear to God, when I first got into cars, this kind of shit was a dream to me, you know, having turbos on a car, let alone making my own kit. But like I told you guys in the video earlier, just pick up the welder, guys, and start practicing. Buy yourself a little Milwaukee bandsaw for a couple $100 and some pipes, and you can come out with something like this, guys. Check out some of the welds. It came out real nice, guys. I'm happy with that. Got some nice colors. So now the next move is, I got these Maven mounts. These are gonna go right in here. And I'm either gonna try to see if I can do a tight little bend to the bar here, or come up to right here to the bottom. And that way the mount will be nice and solid, guys, because you guys see, I mean, it's just hanging off that piece of pipe. That ain't real solid. So the next order of business is these Maven mounts and the wastegate setup. So the wastegates we're gonna go with are the Turbo Smart Fabricates. And here's what I'm thinking, guys. You guys can see, yeah, I actually got a couple of Motion Raceworks elbows, but you guys get the idea. It's gonna have nice wastegate priority straight out of the header. So that's next. 2 little fab projects, and then of course we got to build our downpipes, which people are seeming to tell me that it's 3 inches the way to go, which is gonna challenge us a little bit, you know. But I got this piece right here, and it looks like it fits pretty well. So yeah, 3 inch it is, guys. So we're gonna have to come, you know, right here. Gonna get some gnarly pie cuts in there, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying this Cobra build. You guys know it's been a few years already, but we're in the home stretch, so enjoy it, guys. Let's get one final look at that, and we'll be back with some more progress soon. All right, guys? Take it easy, y'all. No ball bearings. Oh, I still got the paper in there. Anyway, guys, enjoy it. Take it easy.